Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am sitting in a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. Got a really cool video in store for you today. We're doing a 7 to 9 inch McGaughy's lift kit, setting it at the 9-inch setting. We're doing some 24x12 gloss black TIS 566B wheels, and we're doing some 38 1350 24 Toyo open country RT trail tires. We're doing some rock lights on this truck as well and some mud flap deletes. Hopefully we can put these tires on here without having to cut a whole bunch on the truck. And I feel good about it. I think we're going to be able to do it and make it work. So stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. By the way, he brought me the lift and the wheels on this one. So nowhere else to put the wheels. So super beautiful truck, man. I really do like this one. This is going to look amazing after it's lifted. He does have the... I think he said he had the fender trim sanded down and painted gloss black. These are not the store-bought ones that you can get off the shelf at GM. These do look a little cleaner. He had the top half of the cab here wrapped in black as well, or maybe, actually he may have had it painted. It's hard to tell, but I think it's painted. The truck really does look awesome. Can't wait to get started on it. Stay tuned for the process, guys. About to get it going. All right, guys, so we got this 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate ready to go. We did a 9-inch McGaughy's lift kit with the M84 reservoir shocks. We did 38, 1350, 24 Toyo open country RT trail tires. And we did 24 by 12 TIS 566B wheels. This truck turned out amazing. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what it turned out like. So here's our beautiful truck, 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. This truck is sitting on the 9-inch McGaughy's lift kit with the M84 reservoir shocks. This is the upgraded shock you can get from McGaughy's. Super, super nice. We did their upper control arms right here. We did the ball joint caps with them. I'll show you what the cross member of the lift kit looks like. It's amazing every time. We have a really good axle angle set at the 9-inch mark on this truck. We did mud flap deletes on this, and we did some trimming up in the front, but we were able to put a 38, 1350, 24 Toyo open country RT trail tire on here with the 24 by 12 TIS 566B wheel. It's a really nice setup. We did the traction bars on the McGaughy's kit as well back here. This is an upgrade you can get. This is mostly for looks, but this is definitely a cool upgrade. It matches the strut tensioner bars that you see up on the front there with McGaughy's. That's their torsion bar drop bracket right there. It looks really, really cool. We go in the back, we have the M84 reservoir shock in the rear as well. And then we have their block that's supplied with the 7-inch lift kit. We put the shims on top of those to get up to the 9-inch mark in the rear. Overall, the truck looks really, really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this one. I'm gonna attach a price quote for this job so that you can see what it cost if you came in and got one done just like this. Wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer. Number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. Thank you. So real quick, on top of the 24 by 12 TIS wheels, the 38-inch Toyo open country RT trail tires, the 9-inch McGaughy's lift kit with the M84 reservoir shocks, I also forgot to say that we put infinite off-road rock lights on here. We did the 24 watt. They're currently off right now, but we did them on the fenders. We did them on the cross member of the side marker of the lift kit right here. Actually, they're on. We did them under the frame rail of the truck, and we also did them under the front and the rear of the truck, just to give him more light at night, so to block out most of the shadows. I think it's a really nice touch on the truck, to be honest.